Hi, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft, and in studio we've got a great partner from DivergeIT, Robert Praul. So Robert, thanks so much for coming in today, really appreciate it.
No problem, my pleasure.
And so you've experienced the security boot camp, the Swarm Security Boot Camp that we put together. And first and foremost, I'd just like to ask you your opinion. What did you think of the event, and did you think it's impactful?
No, absolutely. This new format has really made a huge difference in the amount of content I was able to absorb. It was really allowed me to connect dots that I never connected, even though I'd read all the tech articles, understood, and even been able to enable these features. But in some cases, it's like new ideas being stimulated on how you can implement it that makes all the difference. Helps you formulate that product that you can take to market.
Wow, that's really fantastic. So, you know, the next question is we decided to kind of go really light on PowerPoints to make it more hands-on, more, you know, to be able to share our screens and kind of really go through the little, you know, the check marks and exactly where you need to go. What did you think of that motion? Well,
it absolutely like gives a much more impactful experience and take a lot more away from it. The idea of them demonstrating the demo environments and how easy it is for me as a partner to spin something up and do exactly the same demonstrations of, if I check this box and I type a social security number in here, this is what's going to happen. It makes it very real and tangible to the client versus these esoteric explanations on what we can try to do.
That's a great explanation. And then lastly, you know, we've done a little bit something different. We've rolled out the go-to-market offer, this micro offer idea, a catalog submission. We're giving it to you to finish it out by today, and then turn on resources to get you to market quicker. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, I think the bottom line really is that most of us are here to learn because we don't have the time in our day-to-day responsibilities to get these things off the ground. So the way you've taken and broken it out so that walking away from here, we literally have a micro offering that we can have up on our site and be hitting the ground running before we leave the door, I think is tremendous. I mean, it's head and shoulders above what I think Microsoft has tried to do with us in the past.
Wow. Hey, thanks so much for coming in today. Really do appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in the studio soon.
Thank you so much.
All right.